Hey everyone, it's official. You've joined the Flawless Club. You've made the right decision in choosing the Finishing Touch Flawless Legs as your hair remover. It's time to show you how it works. This device is perfect for an instant and pain-free way to remove leg hair anywhere, anytime. If you haven't charged the device yet, pause right there. Plug it in using the charging cord and outlet adapter included in your box. Once you've got a full charge, remove the protective cap and get ready to remove those leg hairs. Okay, let's see the Finishing Touch Flawless Legs in action. To turn the device on, simply press the button on top. You'll see this little light turn on and it lets you know the device is active and acts as a guide while you're removing the hair. No soap, no water, no lotion needed. I'm telling you guys, this is seriously smooth and safe to the touch. To remove the hair, gently glide the unit or the device along the skin in a circular motion. It isn't tugging or pulling on my skin at all. And notice how the Palm Perfect design makes it so easy to hold and give complete control. This covers 4 times more surface area than a standard razor blade, so it takes less time to remove your leg hair, which sounds good to me. So, you're done using Flawless Legs. Now what? It's time to clean that 18 karat gold plated head. We recommend that you clean the unit after each use. You don't want any of that hair built up and it can cause it to slow down. First, gently pull the lower head away from the upper head, and then using the cleaning brush included in your kit, gently wipe away any excess hair. When finished, line the grooves back up and pop the head back into place. Quick, easy, and simple, just how I like it. For best results, we suggest replacing the head every 3 to 6 months. And if the device ever starts working slowly or gets sluggish, it might be time for cleaning. Or could just need a charge. There it is, the finished product with no messy cleanup. Trust me, you made the right choice with the Finishing Touch Flawless Legs. Your days of having to drop everything to shower and shave are over. Welcome to your new hair-free life.